Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Sorted. And as of when I am recording this video, it's 10th May 2020 and it's Mother's Day. So a very happy Mother's Day to all of you. And in our life, we owe a lot to our parents. So study hard, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो और जितनी हैप्पीनेस ला सकते हो उनकी लाइफ में ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इट. ओके, तो मूविंग टू आवर सेशन. तो आज का जो सेशन है it's related to important days in March for all competitive examination. तो क्या क्या important days हैं जो हमें पता रहना चाहिए. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन. 3rd March. देखो, 3rd March is celebrated as World Wildlife Day. 3rd March World Wildlife Day. You have to remember this. A brief description on it. छोटा सा नोट है. See, on 20th December 2013, at its 68th session, the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA), in its resolution, decided to proclaim 3rd March as the International Day for the adoption of World Wildlife Day. Okay, now moving to next question. See, 3rd March is also important. It is also known for World Hearing Day. Okay, World Hearing Day is held on 3rd March each year to raise awareness on how to prevent deafness and hearing loss and promote ear and hearing care across the world. So 3rd March is also known for World Hearing Day. फाइन. देखो, एक लोगो एक डायग्राम से आपको मैंने रिलेट करने के लिए रिलेट किया हुआ है ताकि आपको कोशिश करो कि इसे याद रखने में आसानी हो. सो नेक्स्ट डेट इज़ 8th March. अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डे. बहुत लोगों को ऑलरेडी पता है. 8th March, इट्स इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे. नो, brief note on that. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March. Is a global day celebrating the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. No one government, NGO, charity, corporation, academic institution, women's network or media hub is solely responsible for International Women's Day. Many organizations declare an annual International Women's Day theme that supports their specific agenda or cause, and some of these are adopted more widely with relevance than others. International Women's Day is a collective day of global celebration and a call for gender parity. Okay, next is 15th March, World Consumer Rights Day. March, again very important, celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day. So a brief description on it. Every year 15th March is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day. Now, World Consumer Rights Day was inspired by President John F. Kennedy, who sent a special message to the US Congress on 15th March 1962, in which he formally addressed the issue of consumer rights. He was the first leader to do so. Fine, so 15th March is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day. Okay, 16th March, again a very important day in seeing the present scenario, because as you know, we are in the days of pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. So immunization, vaccination all are a talk. See, 16th March is also known as National Vaccination and Immunization Day. Okay, so India observes National Vaccination Day, sometimes called as National Immunization Day (NID), on 16th March every year. National Immunization Day was first observed on 16th March 1995 when first dose of oral polio vaccination was given. And you would be very happy to know that almost this disease, polio, is eradicated from most of the parts of the world. And here it is, the next important day, 22nd March, World Water Day. A very important day and we should pledge to save water. हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि हम जितने से ज़्यादा वाटर सेव कर सकें फॉर आवर फ्यूचर जनरेशन, क्योंकि अगर नेक्स्ट कोई बहुत बड़ी कैलामिटी आने वाली है तो भाई वाटर क्राइसिस की, जो नेक्स्ट इवन पीपल से अगर कोई नेक्स्ट वॉर होने वाला है दो कंट्रीज़ के बीच में, इट्स फॉर वाटर एंड वी आर सीइंग दैट in summers there is a great crisis between two states when and in between two countries in the sharing of river water. Now, World Water Day, held on 22nd March every year since 1993, focuses on the importance of fresh water. World Water Day celebrates water and raises awareness of the 2.2 billion people living without access to safe water. It's a huge number, तो जिनको साफ पानी नहीं मिल रहा है पीने के लिए and for cooking everything. It is talking about action to take to tackle the global water crisis. तो हमें ये चीज़ समझना चाहिए कि we have to be together for water, and so 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. Next, 24th March, World Tuberculosis Day, which is also known as TB Day. देखो, every year we dedicate this 24th March to raise public awareness because it was a very devastating disease and it caused a great harm to the social and economic for the any country. A brief note on this: each year we commemorate World Tuberculosis Day on March 24 to raise public awareness about the devastating health, social and economic consequences of TB and to step up efforts to end the global TB epidemic. The date marks the day in 1882 when Dr. Robert Koch announced that he had discovered the bacterium that causes TB, which opened the way towards diagnosis and curing this disease. TB remains the world's deadliest infectious killer. Each day, over 4,000 people lose their lives to TB and close to 30,000 people fall ill with this preventable and curable disease. Global efforts to combat TB have saved an estimated 58 million lives since the year 2000. Okay, so that's all in this session. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. And इस सेशन को मैं एंड करना चाहूँगा विथ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कोट: इफ़ यू कैन ड्रीम इट यू कैन डू इट. अगर आप सपने देखते हो तो ही आप उसे पूरा करने की कोशिश कर सकते हो. इट विल टेक some pain, some hard effort, but you can really do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe the channel and share with your friends for more videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.